Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature, and in this video we are going to discuss the modern age and the growth of comedy. The late 19th and early 20th centuries, often referred to as the modern age, were a period of significant transformation in English theatre. Amid the prevailing trends of realism and social critique, the comedy genre experienced a remarkable revival and evolution. This resurgence was largely spearheaded by playwrights who sought to present life with gentle irony and sophisticated wit, moving away from the sentimental and exaggerated humor of earlier periods. This video explores the growth of comedy during the modern age, highlighting the key figures such as T.W. Robertson, H.A. Jones, Oscar Wilde, and W.S. Gilbert, and examining their contributions to the development of worthwhile and enduring comedic drama. The legacy of Sheridan and Goldsmith. Early foundations of English comedy. Before the modern age, English comedy was dominated by figures like Richard Burnsley Sheridan and Oliver Goldsmith. Sheridan, known for plays such as The School for Scandal 1777, and Goldsmith, author of She Stoops to Conquer 1773, established a tradition of witty dialogue, satirical social commentary, and the comedy of manners. Their works emphasized clever repartee, character-driven humor, and the subtle critique of societal norms. However, by the mid-19th century, this tradition had waned, with English theatre struggling to produce comedies that matched the enduring appeal and literary merit of Sheridan and Goldsmith. T.W. Robertson and the Revival of Comedy. Introducing realistic and ironical comedy. Thomas W. Robertson, 1829 to 1871, emerged as a pivotal figure in the revival of English comedy. Unlike his predecessors, Robertson sought to present a gently ironical view of everyday life, infusing his plays with realism and subtle humor. His approach marked a departure from the exaggerated emotions and clear moral dichotomies of earlier melodramas, aiming instead for a more authentic and relatable portrayal of human interactions. Notable works. The Deacon, 1890. The Deacon showcased Robertson's talent for blending humor with social observation. The play's characters and dialogues were crafted to reflect natural speech patterns and genuine human behavior, setting a new standard for comedic realism. The Liars, 1897. In The Liars, Robertson further explored the complexities of human relationships through irony and wit. The play delved into themes of deceit and misunderstanding, using humor to highlight the nuances of interpersonal dynamics. Impact and limitations. Robertson's efforts laid the groundwork for a new era of comedic drama, demonstrating that comedy could address serious themes without sacrificing humor. However, his work did not entirely break free from the melodramatic and sentimental conventions of his time, limiting the full realization of his innovative vision. H.A. Jones and the continuation of realistic comedy. Henry Arthur Jones, building on Robertson's legacy. Following Robertson, Henry Arthur Jones, 1851 to 1929, became a significant contributor to the growth of realistic comedy. Jones embraced the principles of realism and gentle irony, focusing on domestic and social issues with a keen eye for detail and character development. His plays continued the trend of portraying life as it truly existed, emphasizing authentic dialogue and relatable situations. Notable works. The Silent Witness, 1901. The Silent Witness exemplified Jones's commitment to realistic drama, portraying the complexities of family life and moral dilemmas with subtle humor and emotional depth. The Sleeping Children, 1915. In The Sleeping Children, Jones addressed issues of societal expectations and personal integrity, using comedy to explore serious themes in a manner that resonated with contemporary audiences. Contribution to comedic realism. Jones's work reinforced the importance of realism and social commentary in comedy, paving the way for future playwrights to explore similar themes with increasing sophistication and nuance. Oscar Wilde, elevating the comedy of manners. Mastery of witty and satirical humor. Oscar Wilde, 1854 to 1900, stands out as one of the most influential figures in the history of English comedy. Wilde's plays are celebrated for their sharp wit, clever dialogue, and incisive social satire. He revitalized the comedy of manners, a genre that focuses on the intricacies of social interactions and the foibles of the upper classes. Notable works. The Importance of Being Earnest, 1895. The Importance of Being Earnest is Wilde's most renowned play, renowned for its brilliant dialogue, ironic situations, and satirical take on Victorian society's obsession with propriety and status. Lady Windermere's Fan, 1892. In Lady Windermere's Fan, Wilde masterfully blends humor with social critique, exploring themes of morality, hypocrisy, and the complexities of human relations. Legacy of Excellence in Comedy. Wilde's contributions to comedy reached unprecedented heights, with his ability to blend intelligent humor with profound social observations, setting new standards for the genre. His works remain timeless classics, admired for their literary brilliance and enduring relevance. W. S. Gilbert, Tradition with a Twist. Innovative approaches to comedic drama. William Schwenk Gilbert, 1836 to 1911, best known for his collaboration with composer Arthur Sullivan in creating the famous operettas, also made significant contributions to English comedy outside of musical theatre. Gilbert's approach to comedy was rooted in the traditions established by Sheridan and Goldsmith, but infused with his unique blend of satire and absurdity. Notable works. The Happy Land, 1894. The Happy Land is a prime example of Gilbert's ability to craft humorous plays that incorporate sharp satire and whimsical scenarios, pushing the boundaries of conventional comedic drama. Fogerty's Fairy, 1881. In Fogerty's Fairy, Gilbert combines romantic elements with comedic misunderstandings and playful dialogue, creating a delightful and entertaining narrative that challenges traditional norms. Contribution to the evolution of comedy. Gilbert's work maintained the essence of the comedy of manners while introducing innovative twists and satirical elements. His plays demonstrated that comedy could be both entertaining and intellectually stimulating, further enriching the landscape of English comedic drama. Conclusion. The growth of comedy during the modern age represents a significant evolution in English theatrical tradition. From the pioneering efforts of T. W. Robertson in introducing gentle irony and realistic dialogue, to the continued advancements by H. A. Jones in portraying authentic human relationships, and the unparalleled brilliance of Oscar Wilde in elevating the comedy of manners, the period witnessed a remarkable transformation in comedic drama. W. S. Gilbert's innovative approaches further enriched the genre, blending traditional elements with modern satire and absurdity. These playwrights collectively revitalized English comedy, making it more relevant, intelligent, and enduring. The legacy of modern age's comedic innovators continues to influence contemporary theatre, affirming the enduring significance of their contributions to the art of comedy. So this was the discussion on the modern age and the growth of comedy. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.